The trusted leader in pellet heat brings you the P42i TC pellet insert, ideal for small to medium spaces. This efficient insert replaces your out-of-date fireplace, creating warmth, style, and a lifetime of cozy memories. Built with a perfect blend of cast iron and steel, the P42i TC accentuates all home styles, while the flame-reactive glass creates an elegant, mirrored look when not burning. Harman's exclusive technologies are at the heart of the P42i TC, providing precise temperature management, intuitive controls, and very low maintenance. Simply fill the hopper with pellets and select your desired temperature. The insert will automatically keep your heat level and give notifications when maintenance is required. Transform your drafty, dated fireplace into a clean-burning, sustainable heater in as little as a day. The Harman P42i TC pellet insert, built to a standard, not a price.